Hello everyone, myself Pradnya Shantaram Vinchu, student of third year BSc of Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Manmad. Today we will see practical of organic preparation. The aim of practical is to study the oxidation reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Loss of electron, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. The name of experiment is preparation of adipic acid from cyclohexanone. Next, principle. Cyclohexanone can be readily converted to adipic acid by using concentrated nitric acid as oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents are gains of electron and is reduced in a chemical reaction. It is also known as electron acceptor. Reaction: cyclohexanone in presence of nitric acid, that is concentrated HNO3, it gives adipic acid. For this experiment, following chemicals are required. We need cyclohexanone 0.5 ml, concentrated nitric acid 2.5 ml, distilled water 1.5 ml. Procedure: take 1.5 ml distilled water in 25 ml round bottom flask. Add 2.5 ml concentrated nitric acid. Dropwise add 0.5 ml cyclohexanone. Maintain the temperature below 85 degrees Celsius. Then reflux the reaction mixture for 30 minutes. Cool the flask in ice bath. Filter the product on Buchner funnel. Dry, record the melting point and take TLC. Now we will see the diagrammatic re- now we will see the reaction in diagrammatic way. Take a round bottom flask and add 1.5 ml distilled water, 2.5 ml concentrated HNO3, 0.5 ml cyclohexanone, and maintain the temperature below 85 degrees Celsius. Place the water bath on stand. Place the round bottom flask in water bath. Attach the water condenser and switch on the burner. Take ice cold water in water bath. Then place the round bottom flask in ice cold water bath. After completion of the reaction, we get white color product. Next, filter the solid product. Wash the solid with cold water. Then dry adipic acid is obtained and we calculated and record the practical yield. Recrystallization: take the crude product in 5 ml water and heat to dissolve. Filter the hot solution and cool the filtrate. Dry and record the melting point and take TLC. Calculations: theoretical yield. Cyclohexanone is equal to adipic acid 98 gram of cyclohexanone. It gives 146 gram adipic acid. 0.5 gram is equal to 0.7 gram, but we obtain practical yield 0.68 gram. Practical percent yield: since 0.7 gram of product is equal to 100% yield, therefore 0.68 gram is equal to 0.68 into 100 upon 0.74. 68 upon 0.74 The practical yield is calculated, that is 91.89%. Result table. Practical yield 0.68 gram. Melting point of adipic acid 151 degrees Celsius. Practical percent yield 91.89%. RF value of cyclohexanone. RF value of adipic acid. Solvent used for TLC, that is toluene. Thank you.